we'll guide you through how to use ClickUp Office effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the ClickUp website. Once you're there, log into your account with your credentials. Upon logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your command center where you can see all your projects and tasks. To create a new task, go to the left sidebar and click on the space where you'd like to add the task. Then, click the plus button to create a new task. A pop-up will appear where you can enter the task name, due date, and any other details like assigning it to a team member or adding a priority level. Once you're done, hit the Create Task button. If you want to organize your tasks, you can use the list, board, or calendar views, which you can switch between by clicking the view options at the top of your workspace. To customize your workspace further, click on the Settings gear icon in the lower left corner. Here, you can adjust your notification settings, integrate other apps like Google Calendar or Slack, and manage workspace members. If you're collaborating with a team, use the chat function located on the right side to communicate in real time. You can also tag your teammates in comments by typing @Pidy followed by their name. To track progress, click on the Goals tab in the sidebar where you can set and monitor key objectives. Remember to check out the Docs feature for creating and sharing documents directly within ClickUp, which is perfect for team collaboration. By mastering these features, you'll be able to streamline your workflow and boost productivity. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.